Hi y'all, Karma here. I hope you're having a great day. Cyber hugs to all of you out there, sending you lots of love. Please be safe and stay healthy. If you're new to our channel, welcome, welcome. Hope that you will like this video and decide to subscribe and become a part of our natural healing family. Today we're going to be opening the Cosmic Crystal box. Judy does such a great job with this box. So this box is a monthly subscription box. It's more on the economical end, and it's great for new crystal beginners because you're getting about 3 different gems a month, and that's about the perfect amount of gems a month to be able to really study them and work with them, do meditations, and really learn those stones. So the box is $21.95 a month, and it has a $5 shipping. So it comes out to a total of $26.95 a month. There's no number of stones given, it just depends. And the last couple of boxes have been absolutely amazing. So let's review last month's box before we get into this month's box. In last month's box, Zuzu sent us a selenite bowl that was absolutely adorable, and I have been using it. If I get a new little gem that I want to clear, I put it in there. I've been thinking about taking my intentions and burning them and putting the ashes in there during the month to remind me of my intention. So that selenite ball was so cute. Black onyx that was tumbled, and of course black onyx is such a great grounding stone. And I did a meditation with it, and it was a beautiful energy. We got a raw red jasper, and I hadn't worked with that one, but I will be during this new moon, so I'll be using some red jasper then. And then the rainbow moonstone tumbled, and it was just beautiful too. It's one of my first moonstones that I had, so it was really fun to work with. It has a really light, beautiful energy to it. So last month's box was a great box. We had 4 great gems. Let's see what we have this month. So when you open up the box, oops, on the top you have the little cards that talk about what's in the box, and then down inside the box you have all of the rest of the items. So let's look and see on the cards. The first one is her card. And then on the back, it looks like we got a chakra balancing kit. And to have little kits of chakra stones is always really nice. I have several, but it's always really nice to have a set to use on someone, to carry one in your purse in case you need to do a quick chakra treatment, that kind of thing. And then we have the cards on this one. It looks like has all the stones that are in there and information on them. So I'll read that as we pull the stones out. And then a card on the sage smudge. And this one looks like, right on the top, my guess is it's a blue sage. Well, it might be white sage. It's got a bigger leaf to it. But a beautiful sage bundle. So that you can take that with you. You can use this to clear the chakra stones that are in there, to clear the space before you use them, that kind of thing. Smells so good. I love sage. So let's see what it says. Sage smudge. Smudging is burning herbs, most commonly sage, to get rid of negative energy on yourself, an item, your home, or any space. It is used to purify and cleanse negative energy, as well as raise your vibration. Light the end of the smudge stick until it catches fire. Blow out the flame. Smudge by walking around your home and letting the smoke get everywhere, in every room and space, or by simply waving under and around an item. Use an abalone shell or bowl to catch the ashes. So with your stones, when I get the stones out, I'll show you with the first stone. It's got, oh, nice little bag down in the bottom. The box down here. Got a nice velvet bag with the gems in them. And let me just show you, I'll just pull one out to start with. I will pull out the clear quartz and just kind of show you before we talk about it. But with this, you're going to light it, and then you'll put the smoke all around the gem like this. You can also use like the selenite bowl that she gave us, and you could put it in there as well. So let's look at these stones and see what we got. First off, let's read what it says for the chakra balancing crystal set. It says, oh, it's just got the name of the stone. So first we've got the root chakra is Shungite. The sacral chakra is a crazy lace agate. Solar plexus chakra is a yellow aventurine. The heart chakra is a green calcite. Throat chakra, sodalite. Third eye chakra, labradorite. And the crown chakra, a clear quartz crystal. So I'm going to start with the crown. Let's look at this pretty clear quartz crystal. It's a nice size. It's a tumbled. Really a pretty piece though. I really like all the variations in it. It's really interesting just to kind of look at. I don't know that I've had many tumbled like this. That one's really pretty. So just some really articulated. Let's see if I can. Really pretty. Nice energy to it too. So let's see what it says. Clear quartz for the crown chakra. Clear quartz helps counteract negative energy. It makes your thoughts clearer and helps you come up with positive ideas easily. And for the third eye, we have a Labradorite. And I don't know that I'm going to be able to really pick up the coloring on it. The lights aren't really picking it up. It does have some of that shimmery that you look for in the Labradorite. You can see a little bit of it right there. There's more of it when I look at it. Has more of that shimmery that you tend to look for in a Labradorite. Third eye Labradorite. Labradorite is a stone of transformation. It balances and protects the aura, raises consciousness, and grounds spiritual energies. Excellent for strengthening intuition, which is why it's a third eye. And then for the throat chakra, we have a Sodalite. Pretty Sodalite. Not a whole lot of white, you know, the white in it that you typically see. Again, it's picking up more in my light than in your light. There we go. Now you can see it a little bit better. Between my lighting and so throat chakra, Sodalite. Sodalite helps calm and release anger and frustration. It helps you find your inner voice as well as remain true to yourself. Then heart chakra, we have a green calcite. This is a really pretty piece. I love the way calcite feels. I have some orange calcite too. And I love that. It just has like this waxy feeling. It's really a nice stone to meditate with because it just, I don't know, tactily it's just a really nice feeling. So, green calcite. Green calcite helps strengthen your connection to your heart and provides insight as to where you need to focus your emotions. Next, for the solar plexus chakra, we have yellow aventurine. Nice big piece. There we go. Having a hard time with the camera today. Trying to get it right. Really nice piece though. Nice palm size. Good meditation piece. And again, if you're setting it, mapping it on the body, nice piece that will sit right there on the solar plexus. Yellow aventurine enhances creativity. It soothes and calms the emotions, reducing stress. Then we have sacral, which is a crazy lace agate. And this one took me a second to recognize because I'm used to seeing it in blue. So it's kind of nice to have a piece that's not blue. Isn't that pretty? There. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Let's see, what does it say? Crazy lace agate promotes fun and laughter. It promotes an optimistic attitude and overall feeling of happiness. And last but not least, for the root chakra, we have Shungite. It's a nice black piece. A lot of times for the root, you're going to have black onyx, things that are black, because the root chakra is a grounding chakra mostly. And then goes down into the chakra that's underneath you, which is Earth Star. So, what does it say about Shungite? Shungite helps vanquish negative energies and thoughts, promote mental clarity, increase personal power, and alleviate spiritual imbalances. Shungite is excellent for EMF protection. So that's a beautiful set. Again, just to review, we had the root was the Shungite, Sacral, Crazy Lace Agate, Solar Plexus, Yellow Aventurine, the Heart Chakra, Green Calcite, Throat Chakra, Sodalite, Third Eye Chakra, Labradorite, and the Crown Chakra, Clear Quartz, and then of course we also had the Sage Smudge. So great box for December, nice complete set of chakra stones that you can take easily with you in your purse. If you have 5 minutes, you can lay down, place the stones on you, and really focus on each one. I usually start down with the root chakra and then progress up through the crown chakra. And it just helps me when I'm feeling scattered during the day to kind of lay down, put the stones on me, and just slowly go through each of the chakras coming up my body. And then I usually can feel much more focused to head back into my day. I hope you enjoyed our time together and that you'll like this video. And if you're not already a subscriber, remember to subscribe so you get notifications of our new videos and get to be a part of our wonderful natural healing community. Plus, then you get to come back to the channel and you can say, Karma's your friend. Bye, y'all.